Sometimes I get in the mood to bake things that I think fairies would enjoy, and these mini lemon raspberry cakes are definitely that. So here's how you make them. I take 1 1/4 cups of flour with half a cup of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a little bit of salt, and then just whisk that up. And in a separate bowl, melt half a cup of butter, and then you're going to juice a couple lemons and get about half a cup of lemon juice, and then put in 2 eggs and lemon zest and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/4 cup of honey, because honey tastes really nice. And then you're going to pour your wet ingredients into your dry and stir it all up and pour it into a little muffin tin, and then press little raspberries in top because it's going to look cute when it cooks and they melt. And bake that at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the glaze, it's just icing sugar, lemon juice, some mushed up raspberries for the color, and you can add some lemon zest to this or even some vanilla if you like. Pour over your little muffins and they look so cute in the end.
Darling, I'd wait for you even if you didn't ask me to. Tie a lasso around the moon and bring it on down to you. I'd bottle the feeling you give me, shelve that stuff for years to come. 'Cause baby, when your arms are around me, I'd swear that I'm holding the sun. I'd give you the sun if you asked.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy where I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition when we fell into a rhythm where the music won't stop for a light. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you meet me at the perfect time. Your hands on my face, embrasse-moi, mon soleil. Say you die for me, baby.
Past the 4th turn by the barn where Mrs. Foreman lived till she passed on, there is a cottage by the lakeside where fairies come out at night. There's a music box in the bedroom, it's playing songs from 1922, and if you listen for long enough, you'll fall. Some people long for a life that is simple and planned, tied with a ribbon. Some people won't sail the sea 'cause they're safer on land. To follow what's written, but
Here's the recipe for strawberry cake. Use 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of caster sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter. Mix the sugar and the butter. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg. Half a cup of milk. I use Oatly, but cow's milk is fine. Slowly mix in the flour and a half teaspoon of salt. Destem your strawberries and cut them in half, and then grease a baking dish. Your cake mix should look like this. Pour it into the baking dish and spread to the corners. And then layer the strawberries on top, cut side down. Sprinkle a good amount of sugar on top, and then pop it in the oven at a medium heat for 1.5 hours, or until golden on top. You can have it warm or cold with ice cream or custard.
La la loo, la la loo, oh my little star sweeper, I'll sweep the stardust for you. La la loo, little soft, fluffy sleeper, here comes a pink cloud for you. La la loo, little wandering angel.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Allay, allay, Lord. Allay, 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 Lord. He will tear your city down.
It's been a year and I wish somebody would have told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. 'Cause someday soon your whole life's gone.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him 2 lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone. Don't have nobody to call my own. Please turn on your magic.